Okay, welcome to Chris Tech channel. I know you have been looking for how to get CapCut Pro or how to use the Pro features in your CapCut app in your PC. So today I'll be showing you how to use CapCut Pro for free without any payment. I'll be showing you how to use CapCut Pro for free. So what you're going to do first thing is to open your CapCut. Have a CapCut, have to download the CapCut, log into the CapCut. So once you have CapCut now, this is how you are to use CapCut Pro for free. So go to that cap. Once you open it, you can look at see my mouse. So the first thing you need to do now, go to that setting, go to setting at the top right there. Click on the settings. What we're going to do, we're going to change the location where our file is going to be saved when we are through editing and want to export the file. So CapCut Pro we want to export the file. So we're going to click down here. You can save to this other part, the download to the screen recording. We're not going to focus on there. So we're going to just click on this. Yes, click on this. It will take us to the location where CapCut used to export the file normally when it is saved. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click on we're going to change the location to our system folder because CapCut usually hides the folder deep into your system storage so that it will be very hard for you to find it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to change the location, redirect the location. You can easily select your video or video folder, or what I did in my own, I selected my video folder. Yes, selected my video folder. Then I clicked on capture. I selected the capture. Since my capture is empty, I've not used it for any other thing. But if you have used your capture for any other thing, you can easily create a new folder and give it any name. So I'm going to create, for this video I'm making now, I'm going to create a new folder. And name it CapCut Pro. CapCut Pro. So after that, I'll select the folder, click enter, then I'll select the particular folder. So watch carefully so you not miss any process, because once you miss any process, it won't work properly. So we're going to click on select folder. Yes, I've selected the folder now. So the other part, just like I said, you don't touch it, just leave it the way it is. We're going to click on save. I'm going to click on save. Yes, I have saved now. So the next thing is to start a project. Whatever project that you have in mind, and just click on start a project. So I'm going to click on start a project. Yes, I'm going to click on start a project. Yeah, now I have clicked on start a project. I'm going to import any video at all that I want to make. Any video at all that I want to make. There are many videos that I would like to make. So I'm going to import video that I would like to make. So I'll pick any video. Yeah, that's one video. Now in this video, I see I was talking this.
Welcome. It's fantastic to have you here. My name is Christic, and I'm a software engineer with a
So this is the video I would like to, I'll add it to my timeline. Then I'm going to go to the Pro features and use any features that I want to, whether a sticker or effect. Now those features that you see here, when you can see this diamond icon here. Anywhere you find the diamond icon, it shows the Pro features. So I'm going to add it. To my videos. Good. Let me add this particular one now. I'm going to add it. Click on it.
Welcome. It's fantastic to have you here.
You can see it now. I've added this now. Yes, I've added this. So let me add more. So let me play the
Welcome. It's fantastic to have you here. My name is Kristik, and I'm a software engineer with a passion for AI prompt engineering. I know that navigating the world of artificial intelligence can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, and that's exactly why I'm here. If you've been finding it a challenge to get the most out of AI tools, or if you're simply curious about unlocking their full potential, you're in the right place. My goal is to demystify AI and make it.
So now I'm through adding. I will not add more because I want to make this video as short as possible. So I've added. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on my timeline and select all. Control A to select all. Then I'm going to right click on it. You can see this particular now. Once you right click on it now, you can now create compound clip. I'm going to click on create compound clip. So they are now CapCut is going to merge all together into one file. It's going to be one file. So once you have done that, the next thing to do now is to right click on it, that particular video, and pre-process. We're going to pre-process it. So wait for it. You see it's counting. We're going to wait for it until it gets to 100. We're going to wait for it. Let's wait for it. I'm not true. I'm still recording now. Yeah. Now you can see that we are through with the pre-processing. So we don't just export immediately, because if you try to export, it will tell you subscribe. You see, when you try to export, it will tell you get pro, but you also have to click on go back to edit. So what are we going to do now? We're going to click on our media. So we're going to go back to that place that we created that folder and drag the file, and I'll show you it. So I'll open my Explorer, my file Explorer, and I'll go to my download, my videos, where I save this is the folder CapCut Pro. So in this folder, CapCut save the pre-processed file. Any file, whatever Pro version you have used, it is going to save them here. So I'm going to open it, CapCut Drive. So you can see this is the folder name. When I go back now, you see the folder name, which is all you can see at the top here. You can easily rename it to any particular name at all you want, but what I'm going to use this name 1122. So that's my folder name. So when I go back to my CapCut, I can easily locate it 1122. So I'll open it. So once you open 1122, we're going to go to under resource. We're going to open the folder under resource, then under combination. The folder under combination. So when you get to this particular section now, there are two video files. There are two files we are going to see here. So these two files we are seeing here now, we're going to select this first particular one. That's the first. Don't select this other one that ends with alpha. Make sure the one you are selecting is this part, the first file you see here. This first file now contains our pre-processed video that we have edited. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drag it. I'm going to drag it to my CapCut, where I'm adding it to my media. Now this is the file we added. So after adding it to my media, I'm going to delete the other one that we processed. I'm going to delete it, then add that one I dragged.
Welcome. It's fantastic to have you here. My name is Kristik, and I'm a soft.
You can see that it's the same thing, nothing changed. All the editing that we did, the pro editing, all that we did there, they are all there. So what we're going to do just to export. So when we export, CapCut will not flag it and say this is a pro, use pro feature. It will just process it properly. So I'm going to click on export. You see it now. I'm going to click on export. And remember, our location matters. When exporting, make sure you know where your file is being exported to. Make sure to change the location to a place, because if you don't change here this exporting to now, it will still remain hidden. So change the location of your export to a particular place where you can see it. My own is my document folder. That is where my video can export. So I can now click on export. I can now click on export. You see, the video is exporting. It's true, exported and ready to be shared. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to my channel. There are more helpful videos I'll be uploading. There are more helpful. Okay.